Most negotiators make a very simple mistake. They focus on what something is worth to them, but forget to ask what it costs the other side to provide it. And that can lead you to negotiate very hard for exactly the wrong thing. Value to me is not the same as cost to them. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are the buyer. You have 3 things you could negotiate. An extended warranty is worth $80,000 to you. Faster delivery is worth $120,000, and training is worth $60,000. Now, let me ask you a question. Which one should you negotiate hardest for? Which of these 3 options would you negotiate hardest for? Most people choose faster delivery. And that seems completely logical. It gives you the highest value, $120,000. But now let's look at the seller's economics. The warranty costs the seller only $12,000 to provide. Training costs just $8,000. But faster delivery costs the seller $135,000. Now, our negotiation looks very different. The extended warranty creates $68,000 of additional value. Training creates $52,000. But faster delivery actually destroys $15,000 of value. Think about that. Faster delivery is the most valuable option to you, but economically, it is the worst option of the 3. The seller has to spend $135,000 to give you something worth only $120,000. This is one of the fundamental principles of NegoEconomics. The variable with the highest value to you is not necessarily the best variable to negotiate. There are always 2 questions. What is it worth to me? And what does it cost them? The difference between those 2 numbers is where asymmetrical value can exist. And once you understand that difference, negotiation stops being simply a fight over price. It becomes deal architecture. Great negotiators don't simply negotiate harder. They understand the economics and negotiate smarter.
Don't just negotiate harder. Negotiate the NegoEconomics. Smartnership negotiation.